Hello student, today we are going to start your English grammar subject in standard 8. Okay, today we are learn the exercise number 5 of chapter number 11, direct and indirect speech. Okay, so let me start. Exercise number 5, change the following sentence into indirect speech. ये जो एक्सरसाइज 5 है वो सब मिक्स में दिए हैं. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस, ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस, ये सब साथ में दिए हैं. आपको समझ जाना है कि किस में क्या करना है. ओके, सो लेट वी स्टार्ट. शी सेड टू हिम, हाउ लॉन्ग डिड यू ट्रैवल? क्वेश्चन मार्क है, तो कौन सा सेंटेंस हुआ है? इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो इट्स आंसर इज शी asked him how long he had traveled. Okay, the next. Ravi said to Mohan, you created a nuisance here. So its answer is Ravi accused Mohan that he had created a nuisance. Okay, the next. The doctor said to me, do not lose patience. एडवाइस दे रहा है डॉक्टर. सो द डॉक्टर एडवाइज मी नॉट टू लॉस पेशेंस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. गीता सेड टू हर ब्रदर, विल यू कम ओवर फॉर द वीकेंड? सो इट्स आंसर इज गीता आस्क्ड हर ब्रदर इफ ही वुड कम ओवर फॉर द वीकेंड. ओके, द नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ नंबर. She said to him, how extravagant you are. So its answer is she exclaimed that he was very extravagant. Okay, the next. My aunt said to me, have a little tea before you go. So its answer is my aunt asked, सॉरी एडवाइज आएगा, आस्क्ड नहीं आएगा. माई आंट एडवाइज मी टू हैव ए लिटल टी बिफोर आई वेंट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट. आर यू गोइंग there or of your own free will? He asked her. So its answer is he asked her if she was going here of her own free will. Okay, the next. I said to him, what were you doing here? So its answer is I inquired of him what he had been doing there. Okay, the next. He said, what is the matter with you, young man? So its answer is he asked me what the matter was with me. Okay, the next. She said to him, how ill and depressed you are. So its answer is she exclaimed sorrowfully that she was very ill and depressed. Okay, the next. The fox said to the crow, how pretty you are. So its answer is the fox exclaimed to the crow that it was very pretty. Okay, the next. Hooray, cried the boy, I have won the prize. Hooray आया तो क्या आएगा? Joyfully. Okay, so the boy exclaimed joyfully that he had won a prize. Okay, the next. Mother said to Rita, where did you keep the book? So its answer is mother asked Rita where she had kept the book. Okay, the next. You said to me, I won't be able to help you. So its answer is you told me that you would not be able to help me. Okay, the next. He said to her, do not you ever cross this line. So its answer is he warned her never टू क्रॉस दैट लाइन. सो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क है तो क्वेश्चन वॉन्टेड की जगह आप आस्क्ड भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, द नेक्स्ट 16 नंबर. Pardon me, sir, said the servant. I am totally innocent. So its answer is the servant begged his master to pardon him, declaring that he was totally innocent. Okay, the next is that the way to talk to a gentleman, he said to me. So its answer is he demanded of me whether that was the way to talk to gentlemen. Okay, the next 18 number. He said let us wait for the award. Let us आया तो let us आया तो क्या आएगा suggested and let us का क्या हो जाएगा they should. Okay, so its answer is he suggested that they should wait for the award. Okay, the next, what are you doing, good old woman, said the prince. So its answer is the prince asked the old woman what she was doing. Okay, the next, the boy said to his teacher, thank you for your kind help. Thank you for your kind help. Okay, so its answer is the boy thanked his teacher for the kindly help. Okay, the next. He said to me, please do not keep me waiting for long. Please आया तो क्या आएगा requested. Okay, so he requested me not to keep him waiting for long. Okay, the next. I said to my servant, why did you lie to me? So its answer is I asked my servant why he had lied to me. Okay, the next. I said to him, it was raining last night. So its answer is I told him that it had been raining the previous night. Last night का क्या हो जाएगा previous night. Okay, the next. The gardener said to him, there is not a single flower here. So, answer is the gardener told him that there was not a single flower there. Okay, the next. Next 25 number. He said my master was writing letters. Okay, so its answer is he said that his my मतलब he तो his master had been waiting letters. Okay, the next. The old man said to his sons, stop quarreling and remain untied. Okay, so its answer is the old man advised his sons to stop quarreling and remain untied. Okay, then 27 number. Is there my letter for me? He asked the postman. So its answer is he asked the postman if there was any letter for him. Okay, the next. Sit down, boys, said the teacher. Do your sums. So answer is the teacher ordered the boys to sit down and do their sums. Okay, the next. My brother said to me, you cannot escape the result of your action. So its answer is my brother told me that I could not escape the result of the actions. Okay, the next. He said to me, let me go on with my work. यहाँ पर let me है इसीलिए they should नहीं होगा. Okay, are you got it? Okay, are you remember it? So its answer is he requested me to let him go on with with her work. Okay, Then 30 number, he said to me, let me go on with my work. So he requested me to let him go on with his work. Okay. Then next, the principal said to the peon, ring the bell after an hour. So its answer is, the principal ordered the peon to ring the bell after an hour. Okay, the next, the woman said to the shopkeeper, you have been cheating me all these years. So its answer is, the woman accused the shopkeeper that he had been cheating him all those years. Okay. The next, he said to me, are you the man have been waiting for? So its answer is, he asked me if I was the man they had been waiting for. Okay, the girl said to her mother, may I go out and play now? So its answer is, the girl asked her mother if she could go out and play then. Okay, the fox said to the goat, a thought has just come to my head. So its answer is, the fox told that goat that a thought had just come to his head. Okay, he said to his friends, let us go to the forest and hunt some animals. So its answer is, he suggested to his friends that they should go to the forest and hunt some animals. Okay, the judge said to the accused, do you admit that you stole the gentleman's watch? So its answer is, the judge asked the accused if he admitted that he had stolen the gentleman's. Okay, what a pity, she said, that you can walk no longer. So answer is, she exclaimed sadly that it was a big pity that he could walk no longer. So the next, grandfather said to me, if you come late, you will not be allowed in. So its answer is, grandfather told me that if I came late, I would not be allowed in. The next, what a glorious sight, he said to me. So its answer is, he exclaimed with joy that it was a glorious sight. So your exercise number 5 is complete and your chapter is done. Okay.